Ilang taon ka na ba? Ba't hindi ka sumali?
So, Mr. Pogi, patingin, anong talent mo? Dancing? Paano yung dance? Alika nga, patingin ng dancing. O si Agos, mga kaibigan, ha? I-audition na namin sa Mr. Pogi. Alika, pag natalo sa Pinoy Henyo yung grupo, dire-diretso na to. Itatali natin yung isang contestant para ikaw sasalang. Kuya, Justin, pahingi kami dyan ng anong on the floor, J-Mo!
On the floor!
Kuya Justin, pahingi.
DJ ako rin kakasalit ako.
Sakit ng ulo.
Okay, this song that I'm going to sing is one of my favorite songs. And I would like to share this song to you, Daddy. And I hope you really, really liked it.
And I hope you like a hope. There's a lot of hope. There's a lot of hope for you. When you... Awit ka na dali.
Ay, ayoko na lang. Ano gusto nyo awitin?
Call me maybe.
Ano yun?
Call me maybe. Será, será. Whatever, call me maybe.
Joel,
Yes, Pitita.
pick up line na lang tayo.
Oh, sige.
Ako ang pick up line ko para sa iyo, Daddy. Daddy, baril ka ba? Paalamin naman ng isang putok.
Pitin,
Ano?
bakla ka ba?
Bakit?
Anong bakit? Oo.
Joel, aso ka ba?
No!
Joel, aso ka ba?
Meron kami tinanong niyan, matanda. Sabi, nag-pick up line, Kuya, Daddy, gustiso ka ba? Hindi siya nagtanong ng bakit. Sabi niya, oo. Tinanggal.
Daddy, chinchalong ka ba? My name is Petit Brokovich, and you're all the way from New York, right?
Yes.
And we all know that New York is the Big Apple. And alam mo ba, Joel, kung bakit siya tinawag na Big Apple?
Hindi ko alam Patit.
Well, New York is the land of the Big Apple because New York is the place of opportunity and liberty, right? Tinawag siya Big Apple kasi everyone wants to have a bite on it.
Ah, akala ko yung Apple Washington lang.
Hindi! Fuji yun!
Pag sa Japan.
Okay. Why is it that you don't have any girlfriend?
I'm seeing someone.
You see someone where?
In New York.
In New York. Is she a Filipina?
No, she's not.
What? Filipino?
He's a boy. No.
No, not Filipina, not Filipino.
Maybe American, Mexican.
American, Mexican?
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese.
Wow, gusto niya mga chinita. Di
You
ba
like
Chinese ka?
Yeah. Yes.
Tapos sabi mo siya na Chinese.
Ni hao ma. Betamsha. You don't understand. Because I am just fooling you. And you're what grade now?
I'm going to be a junior in college.
And you're taking up what course?
Accounting.
Accounting. Quite perfect. Amazing. And is he your brother? The second, what about this one? Yes. No, the one, yes. Yes. Your cousin. Please, tell tell your cousin that I like him.
Bata-bata yan. How young is he?
You're 13? Oh my God.
Forget about
I
him.
don't like you no more. Because I might to jail, you know. Leave me alone.
Leave me
Anyway,
alone.
nice talking to you.